Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Как дела? I hope you're doing great. As you see, we have second time snow and I really want to show you this beautiful atmosphere. Obviously, there are a lot of negative things going on. Instead, today I'm gonna show you a lot of positive vibes. I would love to show you how actually we are spending our lockdown. If you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Currently, I'm in the cafe. I'm going to show you how actually you can buy something. Guys, you can go inside and you can stay like Alina is doing right now and you can make an order. Alina, come on. Push the bell? Yes, exactly. Good job, Alinka. My dear friends, good news, you don't have to wear a mask while walking outside, and you can see this is my favorite street, Andriivska Descent. I love this beautiful street so much. Guys, remember my favorite restaurant, Ukrainian restaurant, yes, with authentic cuisine. You can see right now you can go inside as well, but some good news, you can take out anything you want. St. Andrew's Church over there. You can see that this monument was built in 18th century, extremely beautiful, gorgeous. As you can see, it's my favorite church, by the way. What we're gonna do right now, you are going to see the observation area around the church. Unfortunately, you can't go inside, but anyway, still you can go around and you're gonna see the most beautiful view. Okay, so let's go together. And by the way, be careful because it's extremely slippery right now. Alinka was trying to check whether it's actually opened or closed. Alina, closed?
Yes.
Closed, you can see. So we are checking out everything. Guys, right now I am in the shopping mall, so I will show you around. I will show you what actually works and what doesn't work. Okay, so let me show you that. So guys, check it out. Vodafone, Kyivstar, Bila, work. Let's go to the next one. Okay, all places like that, you can see they are closed. Take a look if you want to buy glasses or sunglasses. It works. There we go, you can see Lux Optica works. Okay. Usually gonna see a lot of people over there, but currently you can see no one is there. This is our food court. Yeah? Good news, you can go to the toilet as well. So it's pretty important, isn't it? Okay, so let's go on and take a look. If you want to buy, let's say, iPhone, phones, electronic devices, they are opened. Citrus, you can see this is our electronic device shop. Of course, you have to wear a mask to go inside and buy something. Some products you can't buy, but take a look, you can buy different mobile phones. There we go, you can see how it looks like.
This is such a lovely place where you can feel this magical winter spirit. I couldn't leave it behind. I wanted to show you this glorious place. What can you do there? You can take many pics, have a lot of pleasant, unforgettable moments, and feel this spiritual atmosphere.
Alina! guys. So good. And we are going tubing. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below how actually you spent your lockdown. Thank you and talk to you very soon. Bye bye.